We had a number of reasons to invoke this act, and we need to be fair to all Canadians, and we need to be transparent about this process. Thank you.
Halton Hills.
Mr. Speaker, Canadians need answers about the government's invocation of the Emergencies Act. The key question is whether the invocation of these extraordinary powers met the legal requirements of the Act, a question Justice Rollo and the public inquiry need to answer. In order to do that, Justice Rollo needs access to documents covered by Cabinet confidence. Will the Prime Minister, will the government waive Cabinet confidence?
The Honourable Minister of Public Safety.
Speaker, on this side of the House, we are prepared to shine a light in cooperation with the judge on the circumstances that led to the invocation of the Act. And I would remind my honourable colleagues, particularly from the Conservative Party of Canada, that individuals were arrested as a result of their illegal conduct at borders, which shut down businesses, which required people to be laid off, which had members of this community right here in Ottawa be hostages in their own home, Mr. Speaker. We're prepared to go through all of that in cooperation with the judge so that there's transparency and accountability in conjunction with this commission. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Have a little order in this, just so we can hear the answers to the questions, and so the people visiting us here can hear the answers as well. The Honourable Member for Wellington Halton Hills.
Mr. Speaker, the Emergencies Act is only supposed to be used when there is no other law in Canada able to deal with the situation. It's not clear that threshold was met. When emergency powers are used in a democracy, the question that must be answered is, did the government act lawfully in the invocation of those powers? To answer that question, Justice Rollo needs Cabinet documents. Prime Minister Harper waived Cabinet confidence in the Vice Admiral Mark Norman case and in the Senator Mike Duffy case. Will the government do the same for this public inquiry?
The Honourable Minister of Public Safety.
I would encourage my colleagues to read the order in Council, which specifically says that the judge has the independent power to compel witnesses, to compel information, to compel other documents, which indeed includes classified information. We want to shine a light on the circumstances that led to the invocation of the Act. We on this side of the House and other members in this chamber are confident that it was the right thing to do, and it worked, Mr. Speaker. But in fulfillment of our obligations under the Emergencies Act, we've launched this public inquiry so that there can be transparency, accountability, and integrity, and so that this never happens again.